Techni Information presents amazing information about orange. Oranges are popular due to their natural sweetness. There are many different types available, and the diversity of users. For example, a person can consume them in juices and marmalades, eat them whole, or use zested peel to add a tangy flavor to cakes and desserts, etc. This popular citrus fruit is particularly known for its vitamin C content. However, oranges contain a range of other plant compounds and antioxidants that may reduce inflammation and work against disease. The nutrients in oranges offer a range of health benefits. The sections below discuss these benefits in more detail. As an excellent source of the antioxidant vitamin C, oranges may help combat the formation of free radicals that cause cancer. Although an adequate vitamin C intake is necessary and very beneficial, the amount a person would need for the desired therapeutic effect on cancer is more than they could realistically consume. For example, one study concluded that medical scientists could harness the power of vitamin C from oranges to inhibit colorectal cancer cells in the future. However, the authors conclude that 300 oranges worth of vitamin C would be necessary. That said, in 2015, a study linked grapefruit and orange juice with a higher risk of skin cancer. Researchers found that people who consume high amounts of whole grapefruit or orange juice were over a third more likely to develop melanoma than those who consume low amounts. This may have been due to citrus compounds that exert phytocarcinogen properties. Orange peel looks beautiful and make a simple natural decor. You can mix it with other autumn spices like cinnamon sticks and cloves. Add a few drops of orange essential oil to boost the fragrance as it needs. Oranges are a good source of fiber and potassium, both of which can support heart health. According to one 2017 review of previous meta-analysis, consuming enough fiber can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, both developing and being fatal. The review links this effect to its ability to lower cholesterol levels in the blood. 1 cup of orange juice can provide 14% of person daily potassium requirement. The ODs found that people with higher potassium intakes may have a lower risk of stroke and other cardiovascular diseases. They mainly attribute this to the effects of potassium on blood pressure. A medium orange weighing 131 grams contributes 3.14 gram of fiber, which is nearly 10% of an adult's daily fiber requirement. Several studies have found that fiber can improve some factors that contribute to diabetes development and progression. Weight control is also important for reducing the risk of diabetes, as obesity and overweight can contribute to the development of type 2 diabetes. The body processes fiber more slowly than other nutrients, so it can help a person feel fuller for longer and reduce their to eat snacks throughout the day. Thank you everyone.